According to numerous reports, Apple may release a foldable iPhone in 2026, which would put them 7 years behind Samsung, which joined the flexible display phone market in 2019. The Galaxy Z Fold May 8 offer at least 2 advantages over the original folding iPhone, according to information in a recent report. Digital Chat Station, a Chinese tipster, provided some details on the foldable iPhone. According to reports, it will sport a dual-camera configuration on the back, a 5.25-inch top display, and a 7.58-inch folding inside display. According to reports, the gadget will have an under-display camera underneath its inner display and a punch-hole-shaped cover display cutout for one of its front-facing cameras. The foldable iPhone will have smaller screens than the Galaxy Z Fold 8 if this information is accurate. With an 8-inch foldable display and a 6.5-inch cover display, the Galaxy Z Fold 7's successor is probably going to have panels that are at least as large. They might have various display aspect ratios, though. A 200-megapixel primary camera with optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom make up the triple camera arrangement on the back of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. There are rumors that the foldable iPhone will sport an ultra-wide rear camera and a 48-megapixel primary rear camera with OIS. It probably won't feature a telephoto camera specifically for it. When compared to typical cameras positioned in punch-hole-shaped display cutouts, under-display cameras are reported to have lower image quality. The 2 displays on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 each have a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. Therefore, the Galaxy Z Fold may 8 be superior than the foldable iPhone in theory if it has front cameras that are at least comparable. The second half of 2026 is anticipated to see the release of the foldable iPhone and the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Additionally, Samsung's next phone might include better cameras and larger screens. It remains to be seen, though, if improved hardware will indeed result in higher quality. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.